Previously on Tony Wan.
I wanna be a great one. I wanna be a great one. I wanna make a...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, do not forget to like, to comment, to subscribe. And if you are returning, welcome back to my channel. And do not forget to like and comment. And if you are returning and you are not subscribed, what are you doing? As promised, I'm going to show you guys how I take down my hair for a twist out. Like everything that I do step by step so that you guys can probably kind of replicate it. I feel like, in my opinion, in my honest opinion, twist outs look better and they last longer the longer that you wear them. And I've been wearing this for about a week and a half now, almost 2 weeks. But let's get into the video and I'll show you guys everything that I do step by step so you don't want to miss a beat. And also stay tuned for the end of the video because I have a big announcement for everyone and you don't want to miss that either.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to put some wild growth oil on my fingertips just to keep my hair from frizzing while I'm taking it down. A lot of the methods that I use are to prevent my hair from frizzing because I feel like most of the problems with other people doing their twist outs, their hair frizzes because they don't take like proper steps to keep their hair frizzing, like oiling your fingers, and also how I'm taking my hair down, leaving it like in the two kind of, I don't even know what to call them, but how I twist my hair, I wrap my hair before I twist it, like kind of spin my hair around my fingers, then I twist it. That makes your hair like curlier, if you guys can see like the curls in my hair while I'm taking it down. And also, I'm not using my fingernails. It looks like I'm using my fingernails, but I'm not using my fingernails to take my hair down. I'm using the pads of my fingers because if I use my fingernail, rake my fingernail through the twist, that'll cause it to frizz also. And that's like the last thing I want, is for my hair to be frizzy. Okay, so I'm showing you guys this just to show you that that part of my hair is not uniform, like the curl pattern is uniform. That part of my hair is actually, I think, 3B compared to my hair everywhere else, which is like 4B. So the next day the twist unraveled and I had to braid it back just so I could have some type of curl pattern when I actually took my twist out down. So this next step to me is the defining step of your twist out. Literally the defining step if you want a defined twist out. How you separate your hair. It either goes one of two ways. Either you separate it right and your hair is defined, your twist outs come out great, or you separate it wrong and your hair is frizzy. So how you do that is by pulling the strand of hair, and if you can't see it, feel for where the hair separates. You'll have like a clump of curls. And that is where you separate. That is how you get that defined twist out.
Statement, quick statement before the reveal of the twist out. I did not notice until I was just editing that my words and my lips are not synced. So it's like I'm talking and then the words come out, and I don't know how that happened. And I also don't know how to fix it. So please bear with me because this is frustrating enough, because I don't know. I don't like not knowing how to fix things, and I don't know how to fix it. So please just bear with me the last minute or two of the video just so I can show you guys how my hair turned out and also reveal the big announcement. Okay, guys, so this is the final product of my hair, and I'm just gonna take some leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna spray it with the leave-in conditioner because like I don't want my hair getting dry and I have to go and like expose it to the elements. So I'm just gonna spray and like shake, I guess. But yeah, if you guys, basically, if you want your hair like this, just keep your twist in for 2 weeks. So I feel like this will last me until, really probably until I get ready to wash it, which probably will be like Friday. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Thank you for hanging on. And since you guys I did say stay to the end of the video, and I have an announcement. My announcement is when I hit 500 subscribers, there will be a giveaway. 500 subs will be a natural hair giveaway, and basically I'll send you a box of my natural hair favorites, and I'm thinking about doing this every 500 subscribers. Even if you are a sub now, you can be entered only thing you have to do is just show me that you're subscribed to me. That's it. If you guys want to do that, just hit me up on Instagram at Tony.1. Really just Instagram at Tony.1. Show me that you subscribed. And also, if you want to get like extra momentum or more chances of being chosen, if you recommend my page to somebody and they enter, even if they don't enter, just let them know, like, hey, comment in any video or Tony.1 at Instagram, send a picture at Instagram, let them know so-and-so recommended me to your page and so-and-so showed me your page, and then you'll get entered 2 times. So that's 2 times worth of drawings, and then that's 2 times worth of chances of you being able to win a box of my favorite. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. And remember, with everything you do, put so much light into the universe because we need it now more than ever. But have a great day, and I'll see you guys later.